Good afternoon, YouTube. Happy Tuesday. Happy 4th of July. Um, this is the first time today coming out of the house. That's because I've been inside, getting as much rest as I can after yesterday, which, by the way, was a tiring, hot day. And right now it just feels, well, mildly hot, not scorching hot. But anyways, got nothing going on right now. Today there's supposed to be a 4th of July extravaganza going on at the rodeo stadium here in my hometown. So I might go to that. If I do, I'll just get something to eat and come back home. I have no intention of staying out there. Looking forward to the fireworks. So tonight, if I'm in the mood, I will try to get as much footage as the fireworks as I can. But yeah, so right now I'm just out taking a walk. That's all I have for you for now. I will catch up with you later on today. Life update. It is almost 9:30. The last time I talked to you, I mentioned about a 4th of July extravaganza that was taking place at the rodeo in my hometown that I said I might go. Well, I ended up not going because at the time it was very hot, and by the time it cooled down, I didn't feel like going. But anyways, so I'm sure you can hear the fireworks in I'm sure you can hear the sound of the fireworks in the background. Yes, so anyways, before I end this vlog, I'm gonna try to get as much footage of the fireworks as I can. And then after I end the vlog, I'm gonna try, emphasis on try to get some sleep, because I know it's gonna be hard considering even after I go to bed, there's still gonna be fireworks going on. And I'm sure the fireworks won't stop until sometime after midnight, so yeah. So I'm gonna go get some footage of the fireworks, and then the next time I talk to you, I'll be ending the vlog. Alright, you guys. Well, I managed to get as much footage as I could, so I'm good. It is now after 10, and with nothing else to share tonight, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, feel free to share. And if you haven't already, click on that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. The link to that will be in my description box down below. With all that said, I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, good night.